Let's learn the letter H. Top to bottom, up to the middle and over. H is for horse. H. Heather played with his hen near the front of the house. Suddenly, he spotted his father riding a horse, wearing a hat. Heather ran to welcome his father. Do you enjoy welcoming people?
Hen in a helicopter, flying so high. Horse with a hat, playing under the sky. Hen. 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 Helicopter. 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 Horse. 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 Hat. 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 Hand. Hand. Head. 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 Hockey. H.